Here's a real quick tip for you, and I'm sure I stole this from somebody else, as with all good ideas. Probably Paul Sellers. If you are sharpening by hand, or simply honing in this case, as you get to the end of your stone or strop, drop the handle. This way you ensure that you're not rounding off the point, because as you get to the end you're actually lifting it up off of the sharpening surface. Should you accidentally, through poor body mechanics or whatnot, start to raise the handle, what you're going to accomplish is rounding off the tip as you get to the end of the stroke. So just come along and drop that handle right towards the end. This will also, in sharpening, have the effect of creating a convex edge, which in itself has some benefits. This tip is especially poignant if you're new to freehand sharpening. As you get to the end of your sharpening stone, or in this case strop, drop the handle.